Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by making sure the Ps5 is online and you're signed into PSN. This method depends on cloud storage. Once signed in, do not open the game. Opening risks overwriting files. Go straight to Settings, then Saved Data and Cloud Storage. You're preparing to pull a known good save down to the console. Make sure auto-upload is off temporarily. That prevents a bad file from syncing backup, while you inspect timestamps and choose the correct backup file to restore. Now you navigate into the game's cloud storage listing and review timestamps. Look for the latest save before corruption occurred. Once you identify the correct one, choose Download to console storage. Pay attention to prompts. Select Overwrite to replace the local save. That prevents the corrupt copy from persisting. If multiple saves exist, check file sizes and timestamps to confirm integrity. After download, let the console finish processing. Don't power off mid-transfer, because that can create partial or broken files. Once done, launch the game and load the restored save to verify everything works. This confirms the cloud restore succeeded. If it runs, re-enable auto-upload to cloud storage so future copies are safe. Make sure the console finishes its initial sync before turning off. If the cloud had no usable backup, you must contact PlayStation support or use a prior USB backup. That's the fallback. Troubleshooting tip: if the restored save still fails, do not overwrite cloud. Instead, upload your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.